sleep, we're actually gaining altitude. We're in air that's coming up off the ground quicker than we're pitched to always lose some altitude. If we don't have a motor, we have to be always tilted a little down to slice through the air. It's just when that big old mass of air is going up quicker, we go up. There, we're getting some right there. Feel it? So warm just a week ago. We're just having that time of year when it fluctuates back and forth. It's better than just flat out hot, you know? And they're in the air below us. Actually the ground that's getting heated up causes that. The lift, yeah. Woohoo! Skydiving in California. highlight of the day for sure. No one else got above launch. I'm glad we moved to the other side though. That wouldn't work for them. It was tending to come too much from this side. What do you think of that shit? Shoeless.
That's right. Go big or go home.
Who needs shoes? Who needs shoes when you have a landing like that, huh?
That's right. Got a few spins, a little G-force at the end.
Woohoo!
Yes.
Back right here.
Yeah.
Oh, you did get it? I thought it was just one.
Good job. No, you left it right at launch.
I said it was my side.
I can see it there.
Bought a few mountain lions for it.